In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the product data for Woocommerce plugin. After installation, you will see a tab called Product Data, and what we're going to need to do is visit the Settings page. And to run this plugin, you're going to need an API key. To get that API key, you can click on the apigenius.io link, click on the pricing button, and select a plan. Now we're going to run through some of the options. The first of which is use FIFU instead of downloading images. If you're not familiar with the featured image from URL plugin, you can click on this link to find out more. For most users, you won't need this. Second option is keep existing images. During the product data update, if you have this option enabled, your existing images will be kept and any additional images from the product data will be added. And then you can also select how many additional images you would like to download. The next set of options are going to deal with what product data you want to update. Title, content, and there are two additional options for the content. If you want to update the description of the Woocommerce product with the data supplied by the plugin, or if you want to update the short description, and then you can also append or replace that content. Images, weight, dimensions, brand, model, manufacturer part number, EAN, UPC, color, size, and manufacturer are all additional options of product data that you can update. The last set of options, you are just going to need to assign which attribute you are using for the ones listed here. In the drop-down, you will see a list of all your store's current attributes, and you will just need to match them up accordingly, and you can click Save Changes. Now we're back on the product data dashboard page, and to update a product, you simply need to check the box here, decide what identifier you would like to use to search for products. UPC is always going to be the most accurate. Manufacturer part number is a little less accurate. And then title is going to be the least accurate. We don't recommend using the title, but for some users they may want to. So we're going to select UPC. Click Update Product, and then we'll see an update message that lists all the different data points that were updated by the plugin. The final feature of the plugin that we would like to cover is the automations. On the Automations tab, you will see a form up at the top. The first of which is how often you would like the automation to run. You can run it once, daily, weekly, monthly. For most users, you'll just want to run it once. Next, you can decide what products that you want to update. All products, already updated, never updated, failed. For most users, it's going to be never updated, the products that have never been updated before. And then you can select which products you would like to update. Click Create Automation. We've already got an automation that is currently running, and as we can see, it's active. Current update count 732 with a remaining number of products 28,904 and the total scheduled updates. If you have any issues with the plugin, you can click on the How To and Help menu item and click on Create a Help Ticket.